Hello children, welcome to Minutes of Maths. In this video, I am going to teach you Class 9, Chapter 7, Triangles, Exercise 7.1. First question. In quadrilateral ACBD, AC is equivalent to AD and AB bisects angle A. Show that triangle ABC approximately equal to triangle ABD. What can you say about BC and BD? Here they have given one quadrilateral ACBD. In that side AC is equivalent to side AD. So these two are equal to each other. Then angle A is bisect by the line. This is the bisector of angle A. If AB is the bisector of angle A means what? This both the angles are equal. CAB angle CAB is equivalent to angle BAD. These two are equal. We have to prove this triangle ABC approximately equal to ABD. To prove this two triangles are approximately equal to each other, we are going to use the congruence law. We can see there are 5 congruence law. We know that. First we'll see the figure here. Here two sides are equal. You can see AC and AD are equal and this is common for both the triangles. So these two sides and included angle is equal. Here also these two sides included angle. So we can use SAS rule to prove this two triangle are approximately equal to each other. Let's prove. Solution. Here we have to take this two triangle. In triangle ABC and in triangle ABD, what are the equals? AC is equivalent to AD, that is given in the question, and angle CAB is equivalent to angle DAB, that is also given in the question, because this AB is the bisector of this angle. So this angle CAB is equivalent to angle BAD. Then AB is common because in both the sides this is the base of the triangle for ABC and ABD also. So we can take this is common. AB is equivalent to AB. Now then we are proving that by using the congruence rule, SAS congruence rule, because side included angle. So by SAS we can say triangle ABC approximately equal to triangle ABD. If this triangle is approximately equal to this triangle, then we can say BC is equivalent to BD by CPCT, because BC and BD are corresponding parts of congruence triangle. These are the corresponding parts. See, we have proved these two lines are equal and this two lines are equal in both the triangle. Then this line also would be equal according to the CPCT. That's it. Next we will move on to next question. Question number 2. Question number 2. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD is equivalent to BC and angle DAB is equivalent to angle CBA. We have to prove triangle ABD approximately equal to triangle BAC and BD is equivalent to AC. Third one is angle ABD is equivalent to angle BAC. Here you can see the figure. This is the quadrilateral given in the question. ABCD. In this side AB is equivalent to BC and the angle A is equivalent to angle B. That means DAB is equivalent to CBA. We have to prove this triangle is equivalent to this triangle. Let's prove. Here also we are going to use one of the congruent rule. Let's check which congruent rule we are going to use. Solution. We have to prove this triangle ABD is equivalent to BAC. This triangle should be equal. This triangle are equal to each other by using the one of the congruent rule. We will check. First we'll take the triangle ABD and triangle ABC. In those triangle, this AD is equivalent to BC. This which is given in the question, and angle DAB is equivalent to CBA also, that is given in the question. These two angles are equal. And you can see the base of the triangle are common for both the triangle. For ABD also base is AB and CBA also base is AB. So we can write AB is equivalent to AB, that is common for both the triangle. Now you can check. Now also we are going to use side angle side. Here two sides and included angles are equal to this triangle, two sides and included angle. So we are going to prove according to the SAS congruence rule, triangle ABD approximately equal to triangle BCA. First part is over. Now we have to prove these two parts. Let's prove. We have already proved triangle ABD is equivalent to BAC. So here these two sides are corresponding parts of these two triangle BD and AC. We know corresponding parts of congruence triangle would be equal. So these two are congruence triangle and these two are corresponding parts of congruence triangle. So BD is equivalent to AC. Next we have to prove, since ABD and angle BAC is corresponding parts of congruence triangle ABD. So we have to prove this angle is equivalent to this angle. For that what we are going to do, we have to take this two triangle. This triangle and this triangle. Now you can see in this triangle these two are also corresponding angle of congruence triangle. So angle BAC is equivalent to angle DBA. So these two are equal by CPCT. You can see here in this triangle this is equal. If I draw like this, this angle, in this figure this angle, and this triangle this angle. So these two already we have proved, this side and this side are equal to each other and this is common. So all the sides are equal to each other, then angle also would be equal to each other. So ABD is equivalent to angle BAC by CPCT. That's it. Thank you.